Well, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you want to see for a brand new video. Make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. You know, it's just dirt making sounds, okay? There's nothing wrong with the fan blade. I didn't vacuum up something, okay? I didn't really vacuum up a screw or a nail or a little bitty rock. But for first of all, I actually did use the shop vac to clean up all those screws in little bitty rocks and a bunch of dirt from restored in that Dirt Devil vacuum right there. And also, you know what, guys? I'll see you in the next video. And make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe.